Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So coming back to the topic, that is operating system page replacement algorithm. This particular topic is very important, and it's one most important type we are going to discuss today, that is optimal replacement algorithm. So we will start this session with its introduction, its basic functionalities, and then one most important example I will share with you in detail. So let's start. So students, as in the question, optimal page replacement algorithm you have to follow. So this algorithm says that we replace the page frame that will not be used the longest period of time in the near future. Not used in the longest period of time in the nearest future. Okay, so you need to remember this particular statement, that is nearest future. Whenever we talk about optimal page replacement algorithm, that means we have to check the nearest future value, and according to that value you can easily replace any value in the frame. Okay, abhi tak we already have discussed FIFO, LIFO and least recently used algorithm. इस algorithm में क्या होता था, जैसे if I am at position 2 and I have to change one, I have to replace any value. So हम उसमें क्या करते थे, previously used जो strings होती थी या values होती थी उनके according frame में replacement करते थे. But in case of optimal page replacement algorithm, we always predict the value in the future. Okay, everything will be clear with the example. So here is the question given. Consider the virtual page reference string. So here they had given a long reference string. Suppose a demand page virtual memory system running on a computer system such that the main memory has 3 page frames. Okay, so I have told you so many times that in such type of questions, first you need to write the given string as it is, and according to the number of page frames you have to create a table like this. So 3 page frames are given, so there are 3 rows, and now we have to find the number of page faults that occur in optimal page replacement algorithm. So we need to predict the future values here. Okay, so now according to the basic rule of page replacement algorithm, the first value is 7. Frame is empty right now, so write the 7 as it is. This is one page fault because the value that want to enter the memory space is not already available there. So this is one page fault. 7 is already there, next value is 0, that is already not available, so you can write 0 in the vacant space. So this is one more page fault. Next, 7 and 0 are already there in the frame. Third value is 1 and you need to add it here. So this is third page fault. Now the main question starts here. Next value is 2, and according to the rule of optimal page replacement algorithm, you need to check the future values, nearest future values. Okay, so according to this, if you want to add 2 in the given frame in this given space, but all these 3 frames are already occupied, now you need to replace any of the value 7, 0 or 1. So what value you should replace, you can check here like this. So 2, 0, 0 is the nearest value, and we have to replace what value, we replace the page frame that will not be used for the longest period of time in the near future. longest period of time यानी कि जो वैल्यू, ये 3 वैल्यूज है लास्ट फ्रेम में, इन तीनों वैल्यूज में से जो सबसे एंड में वैल्यू यूज हो रही है, जो बहुत देर तक वैल्यू यूज नहीं होने वाली है, उस वैल्यू को वी कैन इजीली रिप्लेस. सो नाउ 0 is already available, this is the nearest value, so you can not replace 0, so write this as it is. Next value is 7. Next options we have 7 or 1. So here we have 1, here we have 7. So longest, सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में हमारे पास वैल्यू इज 7, so we can easily replace 7 by 2. 1 you can write as it is. So this is one more page fault because 2 is not already available before this series. Next is 0. So 2 0 1 because 2 because 0 is already available in the frame, so there will be no page fault. Next value we have is 3. Okay, let me just erase it first. Next value is 3. And if you want to replace 3, you can replace by 2, 0 and 1. So 0 here, 2 here and 1 here. Okay. So first 0 is this, second is 2, then 1. So we can replace 1 because ये सबसे ज़्यादा दूर है. So 3, 0, 2. This is one more page fault, right? Next, in the next step, what you need to do is 0 0 as it is. Here we have 0 2 3, no page fault is there. Next value is 4 and we have to check 2 0 and 3. This is 2 3 and 0. So longest period of time, at longest period of time we have value 0, so we can replace 0 with 4 and 3. So this is one more page fault. Next value is 2. Okay, I have told you this type of questions are very easy, but you need to practice a lot. Okay, and for your practice, if you want me to share some practice questions with you in the comment section, I will pin those important questions or websites link from where you can easily get the questions. Next value is 2, so 2 is already available, so there is no need to replace, so no page fault is there. Next is 3, so 3 is also already available, so there is no page fault. Next value is 0, so you need to replace any of the value. So you need to check first, where is value 2? Here we have value 2. Where is value 4? No value 4 is available here. And value 3 is this. So we have 3 and 2 available, but 4 is not available in the future. There is no value 4 available in the future, so you can easily replace this with 0. This is one more page fault. Next value is 3, that is already available, so write 0 2 3. 2 is already available, so write this statement as it is. No need to add any page fault. Next value we have is 1. Okay, so if you want to add a 1 in the page frame, you need to replace 2 0 and 3. So here we have 2 0 but no 3. 3 is not available in the future, so you can replace 3 like this. Okay, so this is one more page fault. 2 you can write as it is, no page fault because already available value 2. Next 0 is already available, so no need to add anything, no page fault will be there. 1 0 1 is already available, so no page fault will be there. Next value is 7. Okay, so next value is 7. We have three values, 2 0 and 1. 0 and 1 will be in the future nearest values, but 2 is not available there, so you can replace it like this. Okay, so one second, so you can replace it like this. So one more page fault here. Next we have a 0 as it is, no page fault. 1 as it is, no page fault. So total number of page faults in this type of question is 9. So correct answer is 9. 9 is not option here. You can write it as like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, absolutely correct. 9 is the correct answer. Okay. You can practice this question as much as you can. Only then you will be able to solve these questions. So trust me students, page replacement algorithm is very important and very easy. This is very easy topic and very scoring topic. In your college level examination maybe 10 से 16 नंबर तक का क्वेश्चन इससे बन सकता है. So within 2 to 3 minutes you can easily get 10 to 16 marks. Okay, so practice as much as you can. If you need any help, or students, if you need any practice question, or if you need any practice question websites link, you can just comment below. I will surely help you all. So thank you so much everyone for watching this session, and I wish you all the very best.